Are looking to turn your low quality images to high quality and enhance photo quality? Then you should know about this best AI photo enhancer tool that uses AI to upscale images in a click. Keep watching the video to know more about image upscaler and enhancer tool. Hey folks, myself from Unblur Image back with another video, and today I want to show you all how to enhance photos quality using the best AI photo enhancer tool. First, the AI tool that we are going to talk about can not only improve image quality using AI but can also help in old image restoration, upscale image, Unblur image to enhance portrait, and all this can be done without losing natural essence of the images. So without wasting much time, let's get started to know how to enhance photos quality using the best AI photo enhancer tool, and that is FliFlik KlearMax for photo. FliFlik KlearMax for photo can help us to improve photo quality by increasing low to high resolution, removing blur, balancing colors, and sharpening details with one click. It uses best AI algorithm for photo enhancement so we can experience clearer screen, enhanced features, and natural radiance throughout the images. Well folks, it is much more than just an AI photo enhancer, as it offers AI image enlarger, HD photo converter, image photo converter, and batch photos processing. That's amazing. Let's give it a try, and for that simply follow the links in description and pin comment to visit FliFlik KlearMax for photo official website. Now click free download. It starts downloading, and once FliFlik KlearMax for photo free download completes, click on it to start with the installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, here we have FliFlik KlearMax for photo with all its features and capabilities. First, we can use FliFlik KlearMax for photo to enhance photos in many ways, but today I wanna show you all how to improve image quality, and for that we can simply import our own image or can also use any of these sample images. Let's import one image, and for that simply click on this. It opens file picker. Let's browse through to select one image. Once the image gets imported, see, this is my old image and the image quality is not so great at all. Face is blurred as well. Now let's improve image quality by increasing low to high resolution, and for that simply select face model. And now from here we can choose soft, natural, or sharpen models. Next, scroll down and we can choose image resolution, which can be up to 800%. Wow, that's impressive. Let's select it. Now to improve image quality, click enhance now. It starts processing, and once done, see the difference yourself. Let's zoom in, and now see, face is clearly visible now and the blur from the image is removed. Now to save enhanced photo, simply click export. It starts exporting, and within seconds export completes, and here we have the image. Let's open it, and now see, the image quality is so improved and the face blur is removed. Amazing work by FliFlik KlearMax for photo. Same way we can use it to denoise images, color correction, low light enhancement, colorize photos, old photo enhancement, and scratch repair. Wow, I simply love what we can do with FliFlik KlearMax for photo, and I will highly recommend you all to try it out. Now you must ask, is FliFlik KlearMax for photo free to use? Well first, it's not free. We will require a plan to use it. So now let's talk about FliFlik KlearMax for photo pricing plans. And for that, here we are back on official website. Now click on buy now. Here we have different pricing plans that we can choose as per our requirement. Well first, here is an exclusive offer for you all. You can use this coupon code to get extra 20% discount. Wow, that's an amazing deal. So what are you waiting for? Find the links in the description and pin comment to try out FliFlik KlearMax for photo if you're looking to enhance your photos in minutes. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also share reviews and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Unblur Image, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you on in the next video. Today I wanna show you all how to transfer Android data to iOS without losing data. How to downgrade iPhone from iOS 18 beta to iOS 17 without data loss.